In this video, I will show some sure ways to make money on Reddit. Now, the first way to make money on Reddit is in getting a job. And there are so many subreddits where you can get a freelancing job or get a long-term employment. And you just need to include your qualifications and skills in your profile, then join these subreddits. The second sure way to make money on Reddit is promoting your own products, merchandise, or services. And you just need to direct your potential customers to where they can find your products or services. And you can create your own subreddit or use Reddit Premium or Reddit ads to boost your sales. Another sure way to make money on Reddit is through affiliate marketing. And there are so many companies with affiliate programs where you can sell their products or services and earn a commission. And you just need to direct your audience to where they can find your affiliate products or services. The next sure way to make money on Reddit is in doing sponsored content or on brand partnership. And you'll have to create your own subreddit to promote other people's brands, products, or services as an influencer. But you can also direct your audience to another platform where they can learn more about the brand, product, or service. And there's also crowdfunding or fanfunding as another sure way to make money on Reddit. And this involves asking your audience for monetary support, donations, or tips, mainly on Reddit Live. And you can also take your Reddit content like videos to membership platforms like Patreon or Coffee and earn a subscription fee. And as a bonus, other ways to make money on Reddit include creating and selling Reddit accounts, collaborating with top Reddit users to boost your account and earnings, getting a share of the Reddit ad revenue, completing challenges and contests for pay, getting a subscription fee for your premium content, licensing your content to media houses or other interested parties, promoting your monetized website or YouTube channel, and becoming a Reddit consultant or talent manager. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Reddit and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.